SAP has dominated manufacturing ERP for over 30 years, but Oracle's cloud-native challenger is closing the gap fast. This is ERP research, no-nonsense ERP analysis. Today, we're comparing S/4HANA versus Oracle ERP Cloud specifically for manufacturing. We'll cover production planning, shop floor execution, quality management, IoT, cost accounting, and the real pricing differences. Here's the high-level picture. SAP starts at $180 per user per month for its public cloud, while Oracle's financial users run $375 to $475. SAP targets companies from 200 employees up and offers cloud, on-premise, or hybrid deployment. Oracle is cloud-only. Implementation timelines are longer with SAP, typically 18 to 48 months versus Oracle's 12 to 30. The biggest differentiator, SAP includes native manufacturing execution. Oracle relies on third-party MES. Let's look at the data. On IoT and digital manufacturing, SAP has the broader ecosystem. It offers native overall equipment effectiveness tracking, pre-built adapters for Siemens, Rockwell, and GE equipment, plus industry-specific cloud extensions for automotive and semiconductor. Oracle uses its own IoT cloud with machine learning anomaly detection, but requires third-party middleware for most shop floor connectivity. Coming up next, the pricing comparison and manufacturing industry fit. Stay with me. Now pricing. SAP's per-user cost looks lower at $180 per month, but it includes supply chain management and plant maintenance in that core license. Oracle charges separately for those modules. On implementation, SAP runs $2 million to $6 million for mid-market and up to $25 million or more at the enterprise level. Oracle is roughly 30 to 40% cheaper at $1.5 million to $4 million for mid-market and $4 million to $15 million for enterprise. Industry fit is where this gets interesting. SAP rates excellent across automotive, aerospace, chemicals, pharma, food and beverage, and high-tech. Oracle matches SAP in only one area, asset-intensive industries like utilities and mining, where Oracle's asset management is genuinely best in class. For process manufacturing, especially chemicals, Oracle's capabilities are still less mature. Let's bring it all together. Choose S/4HANA if you're a complex manufacturer in automotive, aerospace, chemicals, or pharma, and you need native shop floor execution, deep cost accounting, and regulatory compliance. Choose Oracle ERP Cloud if you're a mid-market discrete manufacturer with straightforward production, and you want faster implementation and lower total cost of ownership. Here's the bottom line. SAP wins on manufacturing depth. Oracle wins on speed and cost. And the right choice depends entirely on your manufacturing complexity. Compare both options with real pricing data at erpresearch.com. If this was helpful, subscribe for more no-nonsense ERP analysis every week. Visit erpresearch.com for detailed comparisons, pricing breakdowns, and our free ERP pricing calculator. Thanks for watching.